why is an irresistible offer such an important topic? Because guys, like countless and numbers of times I've heard you say, I've got traffic but no sales, I've got an apps problem, I've got a website conversion problem. But let me tell you the truth. If you're struggling to turn traffic into sales, or you think you've got a website conversion problem, you don't have any of those. You have an irresistible offer problem. Why is that? Because customers really need an irresistible offer to be able to pull out their wallets, not to hesitate, and buy straight away. And it really is the foundation of everything. These days, guys, each and every one of us, we get exposed to about 6,000 brands a day. No kidding. I'm not talking about a month, a year, a decade. I'm talking about a day. And as a result, we really need to create an irresistible offer from anything that you are selling to make sure that a visitor turns into a customer, that they pull out their wallets, don't hesitate, and buy straight away. And I'm going to give you a little clue. It's an irresistible offer is not a discount. It's nothing to do with free shipping, or it's nothing to do with what we call a winning product. So make sure you stay tuned and let's go.